Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is foundation of ECC. ECC stands for Early Childhood Care and Education. It focuses on children from birth to 8 years of age. Early childhood care and education supports physical, emotional, social and mental development. It helps in building a strong foundation for lifelong learning. We will discuss the foundation of ECC in detail. ECC stands for Early Childhood Care and Education, which is one of the most important stages in a child's life. During these early years, a child's personality, learning habits, and social behavior begin to develop. If proper care and education are provided at this stage, children become more confident and successful in the future. Importance of ECC builds a strong learning foundation, improves communication and social skills, develops creativity and confidence, prepare children for future education. The importance of early childhood care and education is very high because early childhood experiences strongly affect future learning. When children are given play based and activity based learning opportunities, their confidence and creativity improve. They also learn communication, sharing, and teamwork skills. Research shows that children who receive quality ECC perform better academically in later years. Objectives of ECC: promote healthy growth and development, support emotional and social well being, develop basic learning skills, prepare children for primary education. The main objective of early childhood care and education is the balanced development of children. It is not only about teaching reading, writing, but also about improving emotional stability, physical health, and social interaction. He prepares children for primary education and helps them adjust easily to formal schooling. Positive habits and discipline are also developed during this stage. Key components of early childhood care and education: care and nutrition, play based learning, health and safety, parents' involvement, positive learning environments. There are several important components of ECC such as care and nutrition, health and safety, and play based learning. A healthy child can learn more effectively, which is why nutrition and hygiene are very important. Play based learning helps children understand concepts naturally and enjoy learning. Parents' involvement is also essential because the connection between home and school strengthens a child's development. Role of teachers and parents. First, I will talk about teachers' role. Role of teachers. Guide and motivate children, create a safe learning environment. Now, I would like to talk about role of parents. Provide love, care, and support. Encourage learning at home. The role of early childhood care and education teacher is not limited to teaching only. A teacher acts as a guide, supporter, and motivator who provides a safe and friendly learning environment. Parents are equally important because children begin learning at home first. When teachers or parents work together, children's learning and behavior improve significantly. Challenges in early childhood care and education: lack of trained teachers, limited educational resources, lack of awareness among parents, financial and classroom management issues. In our society, early childhood care and education also faces several challenges in many areas. There is a lack of trained teachers and proper educational resources. Some parents are not fully aware of the importance of early childhood care and education. Financial issues and overcrowded classroom can also affect the learning process. Therefore, awareness and teacher training are extremely important. Now I would like to talk about conclusion. ECC is the foundation of lifelong learning. It supports overall child development. Quality early childhood care and education creates a better future and a stronger society. In conclusion, early childhood care and education is the foundation of lifelong learning. When children receive quality education and proper care in their early years, they grow into confident, responsible, and successful individuals. Early childhood care and education is not only about education, it is an investment in a better future and a stronger society. Thank you, everyone. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel so that your foundation of early childhood care and education concept becomes even stronger. Thanks for watching.